Hello. Thanks for dropping in. This is a picture I took some many years ago when I was before my passion for capturing images was destroyed. And yes, here it is. 3 cows standing by a fence, looking at me like, "What do you want?" But they were in no hurry to leave. And maybe they were affectionately looking at the grass, because of course the grass on the other side is always greener. And it was green, and there was lots of it. Anyway, they were looking at me, and they, of course, are, well, I'm sure they're long gone by now. But anyway, this was many years ago. I would have pulled over, and I said, "Ooh." And you know what? There was more cows, lots more cows, but these ones just sort of I was gravitated to, and also the grass and such, and the barbed wire in front of them. Indeedy. Anyway, maybe one day again I will just go out and and look for things to capture. I was going to say shoot, but I don't want to shoot the cows. I want to capture them for a moment so they will live forever and ever and ever. Anyway, those were the days. They were. Anyway, thanks for coming. I hope if you take pictures that you enjoy it and you keep enjoying it. And remember, phones are fine, but cameras are better. Bye for now.